This is the 2006 lava stream of the Mayon volcano. These lava rocks resulted sa eruption way back 2006. So, unsa pa atong edad atong panahon na, no? Yeah, grabe kahait ang rocks. One must be very careful. Iniglakaw ni mo dire. And of course, we came here with a guide. This is part of an ATV package we availed. So, o diba, hapit naging kwento. Asa naman eh. So, there you can see the helipad. Landingan ng helicopter, of course. And muna siya ang atong gi-hike. So, gikan pa ta sa ubos ni Saka. Yan, napa ko sa tunga-tunga. We are in a 6-kilometer radius from the crater of Mayon volcano. Grabe na siya kadool, guys.